Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Also, avoid putting coconut, olive and vegetable cooking oil or any oil made for cooking on your hair and scalp. Food-grade cooking oils may clog pores and cause irritation for some hair and scalp types, just as it does on certain skin types, and is best used internally rather than topically.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Edible sunflower oil is used not only for cooking, but for skin and hair care, too. The fat and antioxidants in sunflower oil make it a good option for dry, dull hair. Some studies show that coconut oil is better for treating damaged hair.
Take our lead.
Just apply the vegetable oil directly to your scalp, and check those preconceptions of all oils being greasy at the door. In fact, as GL points out, vegetable oil is especially proficient at cleansing little tiny dust particles that are responsible for dandruff, scalp irritation, and even some kinds of hair loss.
Take our lead.
The answer is yes. Not only vegetable oil moisturizes the hair, it also acts as a protective layer of the scalp from dandruff and dirt. In addition, vegetable oil also softens frizz as well as providing enough vitamins for healthy hair growth.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.